Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I believe you all are doing well. As for me, I'm doing wonderfully well by God's grace, of course. So today I'm back again with a new video, an exciting one. Yes, for me is very exciting to be doing this video. Yes guys, so I finally got a new, should I say a new camera, because I've not had one before. Yeah, all this while is just my phone. So I've finally gotten a camera, guys. But yeah, before I show you guys the camera, let me quickly share with you guys story behind this new acquisition. I don't know how to put it. Yeah, let me just share with you guys a short story behind this. Yeah, it's not that I woke up and then I decided to like buy a camera. Before I really don't want to get a camera now, of course. So I wanted to like get to some extent in my content creating before thinking of getting a camera. But yes guys, something happened last week. Throughout last week I was so angry. Like, the worst part of it is I already like sleepless. I had a sleepless night, like getting myself ready, you know, when you want to create content. If you are into, you know, all this fashion thing, you know what I mean. Before you create something, you have to like arrange yourself, bring out the things you want to, you know, use to do whatever, blah blah, you know, get yourself ready, of course. So I did that, but then I went to work the next day thinking that okay, if I come back, then I start the creating the content and stuff like that. But then I had a little accident. My phone fell down and broke. I was so devastated, like frustrated. I don't even know the word to use. Like, all the sleepless nights I had planning to create a content, all were gone. I stayed for almost a week without phone. So I was like thinking, what am I going to do? Am I like, should I go and invest in another phone? Because, you know, I have to get a good phone with good camera quality. Like, so many things was like going through my head. Like, that was a very difficult situation, like a very difficult decision to make, because I didn't budget to, you know, buy a camera, not to talk of buying a new phone. Yeah, I was planning on buying a new phone before, but not so soon, because I haven't really made up my mind on the phone I want to get, you know. So many things. And yeah, all thanks to my husband, because I don't really know anything about camera at all. Like, that was it. And I was so nervous, like, okay, how am I going? I've not even used a laptop to like edit. If I get a camera, I have to start learning, you know, new things, just new process. So I wasn't really ready to, you know, embark in that journey. So I was kind of depressed, if that makes sense. Like, I cried. I said, why now? Why will my phone spoil just now? So my husband then, you know, talked me into getting a camera. He said, okay, it's better you just go get a camera, because then if you go get another phone, you don't know what might happen. Maybe tomorrow the phone will, you know, something might happen again, and you start regretting why you didn't like use that money to invest in a camera. So I decided to like invest in a camera, because if I'm to go get a phone, I'll start looking for a good phone with a good quality camera, and I'll start looking for a phone with a good gigabyte, you know, things like that. So I'm like, okay, why don't I invest that money, and you know, with good phone, good quality camera, good gigabyte, that is going to cost a huge amount of money. So I just, you know, decided to like invest that money in a camera, at least once and for all, if that makes sense. So that was what I did, guys. I know I've talked too much, and I know you guys can't really wait to see the camera, so I will go ahead and show you guys the camera. Right now I won't be trying it. Like I said, I don't really know much about camera. Like, this is my first camera, so I really need to, you know, take my time, studied a camera. My husband, of course, have been watching a whole lot of YouTube videos on how to use this camera, of course. So I still have to, check some videos on how to edit with a laptop. So guys, if you have been using laptop for video for a long time, just hook me up on apps and anything at all, okay, on the comment section down below or on my Instagram, Shallom NG. That would be highly appreciated. Okay, so I'll quickly show you guys the camera. So this is it. Yeah, this is the camera, and this is Canon EOS 90D. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. I've not really opened it. I ordered it, it's not that I ordered it online, because I didn't want to go online to start buying things, because then maybe something might happen and I don't really want all those stress. So I went to a shop here, Media Markt. They also have online shop as well. So I went to their shop directly, because then maybe something might happen and I can easily go to their shop to complain, or they have a place where they can repair, things like that. So I really like getting my things from the shop, things like this especially. Okay, so this is it. I think this is the battery, this is the guide, and oh god, I don't really know what is this, guys. Please, like I said, I don't really know anything about camera. I know so many people are going to be laughing at me right now, but it's fine. Okay, I can't come here and tell you guys I know it all. I don't know anything. So I don't know which one is the battery. Yeah, I have to, my husband have to figure all these things out. I think this is the battery, or is this the battery? I don't really know. So this is it in this carton. Okay, they have this strap in case you want to hold it on your neck. This is it. I know this one is not maybe. And this is the cord. Yeah, power cord, I think, for charging it. And yeah, this is the camera itself, the body. Yeah, this is the camera, the body. Yes, I'm so excited to and it has this side whatever, in case you are filming like this, so you can see yourself, and you can also do it like this to see yourself. And I really like this one. The other ones I saw, they don't really have this thing, because the videos I make are always indoors, so I really want to be seeing myself selfie. So I like this pattern. So this is the body. I think we are done with this carton. Finish. And here is the lens. Yeah, so guys, the body you have to buy it separately, and the lens you have to buy it separately. And this lens, I really like this lens a lot. Yeah, of course, from the person that sold it to us, he said this one is very good, and this one I can use it for different kind of shoots, photos, and indoor and outdoors. Is 18 to 135 millimeter. So this one I really like it, because I'm going to use it a longer time. Yeah, it's kind of expensive, but it's fine. Instead of buying different lenses for different things, I think this one is okay for everything, almost everything, of course. Yeah, this is my receipt. And yeah, I got a memory card. This one is 128 gigabytes, and I got 2 memory cards. Yeah, I'll still get more, so but this one is okay for now. And yeah, I also got an extra battery. Yeah, this is extra battery, so let me see. Yeah, I got it right. This is the battery. Yes, I don't really know what this is. I don't know what this. Okay, I think it's the charger. Yeah, oh, stupid me. Yeah, this is the charger, guys. This is the charger, not the battery. So this is the extra battery I got. I'll still get an extra battery, but I think this is kind of manageable. Yeah, for now, 2 batteries. And yes guys, yeah, we are done. So guys, just be expecting good quality video anytime soon. Like I said, I don't know anything. I have to like take my time to study this camera and to know how it works. So if I'm able to do that so soon, probably on my next video I will use the camera to like show you guys. Like right now I'm filming with my phone, and yeah, to compare the camera and the phone camera. Okay, so guys, I think that will be it for now. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends and families about my channel, help my channel to grow. Okay, and I'll see you guys on my next upload.